I'm back in the car. They didn't want me filming in the store, but I got 3 more college and 1 more football. Card 1 is Randy Moss draft class. This is pretty cool. Next card is an EJ Little rookie. Next card will be nice, a Jahmyr Gibbs rookie. And the final card is a Jalen Duren rookie. Coolest cards I got were definitely Gibbs and Randy Moss. So, yeah. But these, I don't really care nothing about them. Plus, I already have this Daniel Jones. So, was this a W or was this an L? 6 cards for $3. Tell me what you think down below. Like sports cards?
Yes, sir.
You can have them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I don't really care. I got them up front. I don't really care for them.
Okay.
You can have them.
Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
Like and subscribe, y'all. And remember, always be kind. God bless.